In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set automatic last updated date in Elementor. We're going to make sure that your page always shows the most recent date it was edited without you having to manually change it every time. This is really useful for blogs, landing pages, or any content where visitors need to know that the information is fresh and up to date. First, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Once you're in, look over to the menu on the left-hand side and click on Pages. This will open a list of all the pages on your website. Find the page where you want to display the automatic last updated date. Hover your mouse over that page title and you'll see several options appear underneath it. Click on Edit with Elementor to open that page inside the Elementor editor. After Elementor loads, you'll see your page in the main area, and on the left-hand side, you'll see the Elementor panel with all the available widgets. Scroll through this panel until you find the Text Editor widget. Click and drag the Text Editor widget onto the page and drop it exactly where you want your last updated date to appear. This could be under your page title, at the top of your content, or even at the bottom as part of your meta information. Once you've placed the Text Editor widget, look again at the left panel. You'll now see the settings for this widget. Make sure you're on the Content tab. In the Text Editor field, instead of typing anything, look for a small icon at the top right of that field. This is the dynamic tags icon. Click on that icon and a drop-down will appear. From this list, choose Post Date. As soon as you select Post Date, the panel on the left will reload with new options. You'll see a small wrench icon next to the Post Date label. Click on that wrench icon to open its settings. Here, you'll see a drop-down field labeled Type. Click that drop-down and change it from the default option to Post Modified. This tells Elementor to show the date the post was last updated, not the original published date. When you're happy with the placement and settings, go to the bottom or top of the Elementor panel and click Update if the page is already live, or Publish if it's a new page. Your page will now automatically display the last updated date every time you make changes and save them.